How to change shipping address on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change the shipping address on Amazon. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to change the shipping address on Amazon, simply open up your Amazon application and log into your account that you want to change the address on. There at the bottom of the screen you'll see a list of icons. You want to simply tap on the profile icon at the middle. Once you tap on it there, you want to head into the option that says your account. There, simply tap on it. And once you tap on it here, now what you want to do is you'll get various options under account settings. If you scroll down, you'll find the option that says your addresses. You want to simply tap on the your addresses option, and now you'll be able to see your addresses here. You can simply tap on add a new pickup location or add a new address and then set it as your shipping address when you confirm the order. You can simply tap on edit as well, and you can tap on edit and you'll be able to go ahead and edit it, but this is the personal address so you won't be able to edit it. So what you can do is you can tap on add a new address and you can set it as your shipping address. So this way you can change shipping address on Amazon. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.